This is Elijah looking at the trees outside again. He's looking at the trees. Let's see if we can see what he's looking at. Oh, here we go. That's what he's looking at. Now he's looking at Daddy. Elijah, can you look at the camera? Can you look at the phone, Papa? Elijah. Oh, you just want to look at Daddy now, huh? Here comes the wind. Here comes the wind. Elijah. Ooh. Does that feel good? Does that feel good? All right, Eli, say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye.